Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from graph, which is called matrix 0 1 problem. Okay, so in matrix 0 1 problem, you would be given one matrix which contains only zeros and ones, and then you need to find for each cell. Okay, you must calculate the distance to the nearest cell containing zero. So for example, see, this is zero. Okay, so zero means you need to, for each cell you need to find the distance from zero. Okay, nearest to zero. So see, this is zero, so you don't need to take care for the zeros. Okay, just see for one. So for this one, which is the nearest zero, okay, and you can traverse in top, down, left, right direction. Okay, so you can see either this one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay, so you will pick any zero, and from that the distance is one. Okay, so for this one the distance itself will be one only. Okay, similarly for this one also. Okay, for this one also, but for this one, okay, what it would be, first you will go to here and then from here to here. Okay, so this will be 2 in our case. Okay, so this is what you need to find, and let's see how you will find it using code. Okay, so let me write the matrix once again. It was 0 0 0 0 1 0 and then 1 1 1. This was the matrix. Okay, so what you will do, see, you will first find the m and n, okay, of the matrix. So after that you will create one q. Okay, and then you will create one more matrix. Okay, similar matrix. So the name of this matrix is, let's say, matrix. Okay, so you will create one distance matrix which will have, if it is 0, okay, see what you are doing here, you are running, you have created one dist matrix. Okay, 2D array of size m cross n. Okay, similar to this matrix, and then you are running two for loop. I is equal to 0, I is less than m, and j is less than n for row and column. If matrix of ij is equal to 0, so you will add that into the queue. So for example, this one is 0, I will add 0 comma 0, it's ij. Okay, again this one is 0, so I'll add that also in the queue. This one also 0 comma 2. Okay, and this one also 1 comma 0, and this one is not null, and here also I will put 0. Okay, now because initially everything is 0, I'll not put 0. When you create this matrix, everything was 0, and when you get 1, means anything other than 0, you will put -1, means it is not visited. So this one will also come into the matrix 1 comma 0 1 2. Okay, and then this one will become -1 -1 -1. So we need to visit this -1 1. Okay, so now you have created your queue. Okay, and you put all the values. Now what is next? So next is, see, I told you that you can traverse top, down, left, right direction. Okay, so for traversing that, you just remember this direction array. I already explained it, how you derive it. Okay, so like for example, if you're talking about this is your element. Okay, so top will be this one, so row will become -1, right? If this is I comma j, if this is ij, so here this one will be I -1 and j, this one will be I and j, I plus 1 and j, this one will be I and j -1, and this one will be I and j plus 1. Okay, so you can think like plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this one will be -1 comma 0, this one will be 0 comma 1, so something like that. Okay, you will take one direction array, okay, 2D, and this one will be fixed for everything. Now you will check if queue is not empty. So this is first in first out, so we have added this first one, so you take that queue first. Okay, you will take that in a cell, and row and column will become 0 0. Okay, r will be 0, column will be 0. Now you will create new row and column, so nothing, you just add this value. So for example, for this cell, okay, we will calculate it's a top, left, bottom, and right. So top and left is invalid, because there your r and c's value will be lesser than 0. Okay, so now let's check for this one. So for this one, you need to, once again, you need to check this. See, you have a 5 conditions here. Okay, so your nr and nc should be greater than 0. It should not be lesser than 0. Okay, so whatever will come here and here, that case will take care with this condition, and nr and nc should be less than m and n. So whatever will come here and here will take care with this condition. One more thing, if your distance array has -1, okay, then only you will proceed, otherwise no need to proceed, right? So for this one, if I check, it's a neighbor. Okay, this one not valid. This one I'll check in the distance array, so it is 0 0 only. Okay, so no need to process it. No need to process it. So you will go, and again, this is while condition, right? So you queue is not empty, so you will pull the another element 0 1. Okay, so 0 1 will come, so here you will come. So here this top and left is 0, right is 0. Here also left is 0, right is 0. No need to process. But down one is -1 in the distance array. Okay, so what you will do, whatever value you have here, right, you will do +1 into that. Okay, so you have 0 here, so 0 plus 1 is 1. So instead of this -1, now 1 will come. Okay, you understood? you are checking from this matrix array, okay, and from distance array you will check for -1 value. If it is -1, then process for that. And what you will do in process, whatever value you have in matrix array, you just do +1, okay, for ij, means for r and c. Okay, now this is time for this one, okay. So no need to process, because here it is 0 only, and in distance array also it is 0 0, not -1. Now you will check for this one, okay. So here top is 0, left is invalid, right is 1, okay. Right is 1, but not -1, right? But bottom is -1 in the distance array. So what you will do, whatever value you have here, +1 in distance array. So you will do 0 + 1, so 1 will come here, okay. Then same for this 1, it is not 0, but you will check for its top, left, right, both are 0, but bottom is -1. Here it is -1, right? So whatever value you have here, +1, so 1 + 1, 2 will come here, okay. This is the thing, okay. So 2 will come here, and then same for this -1 also, it will become +1. So you dry run it, you will come to know, okay. Dry run this problem, and then you will come to know. So here we are doing that. We are checking these pi conditions, okay. For nr nc should be greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, and nr nc should be less than m and n value, okay. So overflow and underflow condition you have handled here. And then your distance nr nc should be equal to 1. Then what you will do, you will put distance nr nc, okay, the value distance rc +1, okay. Then you will add that value in Q also, okay. So again you will add that value in Q, and when you pop it from the Q, you will get this answer. So that's it. Thank you.